Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so we have a few questions here based on the information about this research done on secondhand smoke and estrogen. So this research is testing the hypothesis that estrogen levels in pregnant women who are exposed to daily secondhand cigarette smoke is higher than estrogen levels of pregnant women not exposed to daily secondhand smoke. So this is done by measuring estrogen levels of 8 pregnant women each week throughout their pregnancy. Half of the women, so 4 of the women lived in houses with heavy smokers, other 4 did not. Okay, so we have 8 pregnant women being tested each week for estrogen levels. Half of them live in houses with smokers, half do not. So age range of 19 to 42 years old. And then 6 of the women are pregnant with girls, 1's pregnant with a boy, and 1's pregnant with twin boys. All right, so first we're asked to identify one error in the researcher's experimental design. And there's probably a few, or there are a few in here that you could use. You just have to choose one. A couple things to note. So 8 pregnant women is the sample size. It's not a large sample size, so that would definitely not be ideal. Their age range is quite large, so that is another variable that could impact results. And then the other thing that could impact results are the different genders of the fetuses. So girls, a boy, and then twin boys. That could also present with different hormone levels having a twin pregnancy. So those are all things that are those are all variables that are different that could impact that research design for sure. All right, and the next question is telling us to identify one way other than affecting estrogen levels that secondhand smoke could affect a developing embryo. So this is just asking you to identify a way that secondhand smoke can impact a growing baby. All right, so again, there are a lot of different answers that could work, but when a pregnant woman is exposed to secondhand smoke, it could lead to miscarriage, premature labor, low birth weight. Baby could also have asthma or other health complications. Any of these could be valid answers. And lastly, why is the process of peer review an important step in this research? So the process of peer review is an important step in this research and in all other research because it's allowing other scientists to examine the experimental design and to examine the results and to have that other set of eyes. So it means that other scientists can maybe find errors. They can repeat the experiment to confirm results. It just improves the validity of the study when we have other researchers evaluating a research project. All right, thank you for using JD's Prep.